All right, guys, Stuart is back for his follow-up from his multi-unit hair grafting procedure, 12 months post-procedure. How you doing, Stu?
Good, how are you?
Amazing. This looks incredible. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Look how natural this is, and just look at this density here. This is one procedure. Look how natural this hairline looks, and look at the density. Here we go. Have a look at this again. Before procedure, after procedure, and I just messed the hair up, which is a good problem to have, Stu. We were talking about that before,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Look at this, guys. The transplanted hair is genetically permanent. He's doing some basic things to maintain his non-transplanted hair. Let's have a look at that again. Before the procedure, hairline marked out. 12 months post-procedure. Let's do that again. Look at this. Look how natural this looks, guys. Beautiful. Multi-unit hair grafting uses a blend of different graft types to maximize density and cosmetic impact in a single procedure. Messed your hair up again, Stu. Sorry about that.
Oh, it's all good.
Congratulations, man. It's
Thank
awesome.
you.